Okay everyone, this is Noah with Save Green here, and we are continuing to do our Mintsim review, and we are on day number 7 right now. And what we're going to do is see if they actually allow tethering. I guess this can vary from phone to phone, but we have the unlocked Pixel phone from Google, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Wi-Fi hotspot. As you can see, I'm currently not sharing internet. I'm going to select it. There we go. And then I'm going to go on another device and see if the actual sharing is taking place. Okay, so currently I'm using this iPod so we can see the sharing of the tethering from my Pixel phone where I currently have Mintsim installed. So it is the Android AP. So I'm going to select it, and we're going to go back into my phone and see how we go about this. Okay, so on my Mintsim phone, which is the Google Pixel, I have the network name, which is Android AP, and I have the password here, which is fairly long. So basically you would select show password. It will show you the password, and that is the password you're going to enter on your other device. So I'm going to do that, and we're going to go ahead and see if this is actually working, if the tethering is actually working. So we're going to switch over back to my iPad, or iPod actually, and see if this is all good. Okay, so we're back in our iPod right now, and as you can see there, the Android AP has a check mark on it showing that it is connected. So I am currently connected. There's all these Wi-Fi's in the area, but I'm connected to the Android AP, which is the tethering from my Pixel phone running on Mintsim. So again, this is proof that it's running on Mintsim. We're going to switch over back to the phone just to show you how that's all working out. So back to the phone now, and you can see that the Wi-Fi hotspot is active, and you can see here that that is the name, Android AP, and you can see that it was selected. So here, if we go over to network and internet, and we go to the let's see, mobile network, Mint, advanced, and then we show you the access point names. You see that it's actually here on this screen, it's running on the T-Mobile network. That's the T-Mobile US, fast.tmobile.com. That's the APN signal from T-Mobile. So if you have been on the fence whether you should go with Mintsim, and your primary reason is you don't know if tethering works, I can assure you that at least for this phone it works. We are again on the Google Pixel phone, so it does work, but you would have to check on each individual phone to see if they're allowed or not. These are 100% unlocked phones. I've been a Nexus and Pixel user for a very long time, and I really like their unlock process. Everything's 100% unlocked. It'll work on any carrier. They tether without having any restrictions. So that's just our personal preference. You know, we do use Apple devices, just like you saw previously. That was my iPod. We have iPads and all, but as far as my daily driver with cellular phones, we prefer the Pixels and previously the Nexuses, because they're 100% unlocked, 100% unlocked to any carrier, and 100% unlocked as far as restrictions such as tethering, etc. So again, this is Noah with Save Green here. Please let me know on the description below on any comments if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to assist. If you like this video on this phone or on Mintsim, and you feel it was helpful to you, please share it on your social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I would greatly appreciate it if you also subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.